In this video, I'm going to demo how to share resources using SAI and start sharing resource from an application. I will also combine it with a demo of a solid notifications. So first, we can see in the application primer section resource indication, it describes the exact steps that has to be taken to share resource from the application. So I will quickly demo that. On my left, I have two browser windows. In first one on the left, I'm logged in as Alice. In the second one as Bob. And in this case, I'm going to share a project as Bob with Alice. So I'm going to the projects that Bob owns himself. As you can see, Alice also has access to Acme's project, but Bob in this demo only has their own project. I go to one of the projects. It has two tasks. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to initiate sharing. As you see, I was redirected to authorization agent. This is the UI of authorization agent. I can select full access to task, images, and files of that project. And I will select that I'm going to share them with Alice. Alice is the only person that has a social agent registration created by Bob, so there's no one else to select at this moment. And now as I click share, as you see, Bob has been redirected back to the project where he started, and Alice received a little notification here. And as you see, now besides Alice and Acme, it's already Bob here. And this part, it's thanks to solid notifications. So as you can see on the right, Alice has a application registration for the Vujectron, the app she's using, and also Bob has social agent registration for Alice. So when Bob shared this specific project with Alice, in the social agent registration that he has for Alice, access grant was updated to a new one, or new one was generated. And since Alice has webhook subscription, or her authorization agent has a webhook subscription to all the social agent registrations that her peers in the network created for her, the authorization agent of Alice received a webhook notification from Bob's resource server, or the notification sender of that resource server. And after that, the access grant was regenerated for Vujectron, since the scope was covering the new upcoming projects from Bob. And when the new access grant was added to application registration, Vujectron has a web sockets subscription to the application registration, and that's how you could see that automatically updated. And now you can see the project that was shared by Bob with Alice. So now both Alice and Bob can collaborate on this project.